Welcome to the guide on how to navigate through SanR. On the SanR landing page, we can view a brief introduction to the platform and how your reputation can be monetized and how the signals competitions can work. For the SanR competitions, we have the Chillin, Dragon, and Phoenix Leagues, where players can rack up points by forecasting crypto price signals without risking money. Be sure to try it out for a fun time predicting the market. Let's head back to the SanR platform to register our wallet. Once we have entered the SanR platform, we will be brought into the feed page. Let's register our wallet now. Be sure to link up your Twitter account to promote and grow your trader reputation on crypto Twitter. We also shout out to any great signals players have made from our official SanR Twitter, so don't miss out. Also remember to activate your messenger to chat with any players of keys that you own. Now that we have registered our profile, we can view the feed page showcasing signals from other signal providers. Take note that we can only view open signals from providers whose keys we own. On the battle page, you can observe the competitions which are being held every 2 weeks, each epoch spans up to 4 weeks, and players are open to signal making for the first 2 weeks of the epoch. As shown earlier, the competition has 3 different leagues, each rewarding separate criteria to win the top ranking. Here, players battle every 2 weeks to win SanR points. Here, you can view the stats of the epoch and also go through to see what competition you are up against, or find promising providers to follow. Now that we have gone through the battle page, let's open a signal of our own. Over on SanR app, every signal forecasted is recorded on the blockchain and thus legitimizing every user's historical trading reputation. Let's pick a fun coin that we would want to put our predictions on. For this video, let's put a signal on Pepe. I don't know about you, but I think Pepe has been rising a bit too much recently, and I'm thinking of putting a sunset on the pairing, signaling that the price is going to go down. For the take profit target, I'm going to estimate a 20% profit target and a stop loss of 5%. You can also manually input the target numbers yourself if you want. I'm pretty confident on this signal, so I'm going to put a max leverage of 10. Down here, you can input your thoughts on the signal and explain in the title and description on why you are making it. I'm just going to put a cheeky description on Pepe. Once done, you can then proceed to switch to the SanR blockchain. After switching, you will then be prompted to approve the transaction to cast the signal on the blockchain. Once the signal has been created, you have the option to promote your signal on any social media outlet of your preference. We can already view the signal we have created on our signals list here. Now, let's head to our personal profile to check out the features we have there. Our account is currently looking quite empty, as we haven't made much signals yet, but we'll check a different user's account in just a moment. On the top section of the page, you can view several stats on your keys and the keys you hold and the revenue generated. Scrolling down, you will be able to see the stats on the signals created and your rewards from the leagues, if any. Here is the PP short signal we created just a moment ago. Now let's head to the Key Overview section. Here, you can view the in-depth chart of Key's price history and list of people that purchased it. On the Portfolio tab, however, shows the keys that you currently own, be it either your own or from other players. On the Invites tab, you can find your invite codes and also find the ETH earned from your referrals. So be sure to start sharing your codes with others. Now, let's head into the Top Keys page where we view all the different kinds of players on SanR. To navigate through the players, you can sort through the list through various criteria shown on the table. See how I sort it through the list of users from how many keys other people have minted on the user, their percentage of signals in profit, or even the total performance history. Now, let's find a user's account that has piqued our interest and check out their profile. Over on this profile, there is a larger amount of signals history, and thus more data for us to observe and to analyze if you are interested in purchasing their key. On their key overview page, you can check out their key history and the activity of people that purchase their key. With that, that's the end for all that we have to show you on SanR. Thanks for watching until the end. We hope you have a fun time forecasting prices and analyzing signal providers. Good luck!